this Christmas season, I'm gonna go ahead and use real pine cones in my decorations. I can also use these in my fall decor as well as my everyday decorations if I wanted to. But in order to use them, I needed to dry them out first. There's two reasons why pine cones should be dried out. The first being bugs. There might be bugs that live up in the pine cone and then they're gonna get all over the house. The second is sap. The sap's gonna get all over everything and it's gonna cause a mess. So in order to dry these out, I put them in the foil pans, and then I put the foil pans in a 200-degree oven and baked them for 4 hours. As they baked, the sap came to the ends of the pine cone and dripped onto the bottom of the foil pan. So I'm really glad I used the foil pans and not my real pans or my good pans, because then I would have had a big mess that I would have had to clean up. So with the foil pans, I can just throw that all away and not have a mess to clean up. Now that they're all dried out, I can do many things with them. I can paint them white, red, green, silver, or I can put a little glue on the ends of them and then sprinkle a little glitter or paint the ends with glue and then put a little of that fake snow to give them a snow-kissed look. Or I can use them like this. For being a 4-hour project, it was pretty easy. I mean, they were in the oven and I could do other things. So there you have it. Dried out pine cones to use in your decorations.